A pool and mountain views in North Phoenix for $750,000. Let's go check it out. You'll be nestled on a quiet street with mountain views in one of Phoenix's most historically desired neighborhoods, Moon Valley. You'll enjoy being just minutes from golf courses, country clubs, hikes, parks, and incredible dining. Each time you walk through your front door, you'll be welcomed by soaring ceilings and mountain views. You'll have the convenience of an upgraded kitchen with high-end stainless steel appliances and a gas stovetop. When you're done enjoying your incredible home and all that Moon Valley has to offer, turn on your fireplace with the click of a button and enjoy your bedroom. This life could be yours. You'll end the day watching the sunset over the city from the private balcony off your primary suite. Your low-maintenance yard is private, featuring a pool, fireplace, and mountain views to enjoy every season.